We just listed 18 units in the city of Paramount. The asking price is $4,995,000. This is a gated apartment complex that has not been on the market in over 30 years. Built in 1986, all units are 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, townhouse style floor plans. The units are nice and spacious, approximately 912 square feet each. Each unit offers a washer dryer hookup, private patios, and central heat and air. The ownership just re-roofed each building in 2018. The parking, 18 covered tandem spaces, 36 total parking spaces. The city of Paramount has undergone an extensive revitalization and has become a great rental market with an approximate 2% vacancy rate. The subject property is located within a residential neighborhood on a quiet street. Major thoroughfare is Alondra Boulevard and Garfield Avenue. You have close proximity to major freeways, the 605, the 105, 710, and the 110.